Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create color. Let's say if you do not have the particular colors in your stash and you checked it online and it's all sold out. It's like, oh my goodness, where am I supposed to find this color? So that's what happened to me. I checked everywhere, local stores here and where I live in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and then I checked it online. They're all sold out. So this is it can be a custom order that you are going to create, or or a gift that you're going to make, like a birthday gift, emergency gift. So what I did is I went to my stash, customer. Hi Wendy, if you're watching this, she asked me if I can make her a black and yellow hat with the colors. She already purchased a couple of hats from me, and she fell in love with the one, but she wanted a particular color. So anyways, I went into my stash and I found this gorgeous black velvet, and believe it or not, they're all sold out here. I couldn't find this. I'm happy that I purchased it when I was buying velvet all over the place in March, I believe, 2020. And then, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a store-bought yarn that you can't find it. So I already have this cotton bamboo that I purchased from Ice Yarn. The code is 41444. I did make a top for a customer, and I did post a video about how to do the collar because I created my own. This is another leftover bamboo, so I'm going to put this aside. So I need to use the yellow colors. These are from my leftover, so I am happy that it's leftover. Okay, so let me just show you. So this is a regular velvet, you guys know. So this yarn that I'm going to add, I'm going to add 2 strands because it's this pretty thin. I just want to, but I don't want to lose the black between it. You know what I mean? So this is a 50 bamboo and a 50 cotton blend of yarn, and it's gorgeous. I did work with this a couple of times, so I love it. So I'm going to show you. Okay, I just needed to pull the yarn from the inside. That's how I do my knitting, crocheting. I don't work from the outside because it's really hard, especially if we're working with bigger balls. It's really hard to work with. Okay, here's the end. I'm just going to show you. Okay, and then let me grab one of this. So I'm going to do a test with the 1 strand and see how it goes. If I don't like it, I can go with the 2 strand, right? So I looked at the yarns that are sold out. Most of them were like this. They were 2-plied. Can you see? This is pretty thin. So I want to use another strand. So I grab another ball. That's what means 2 strand. It would be the 2 yarn combined together. Okay, so what I will do is, just going to show it to you. This is how the texture was. Here we go. Perfect. See the 2 strand? It's just gorgeous. So this is what the yarns were sold. Especially I checked on Ice Yarn, and I don't want to order Ice Yarn because I don't want to wait a week for that. It takes a week. Yeah. 5 days, business days. That's why I say a week. So I just wanted to use the yarn that I have in my stash. And this is very good quality Bernat. I bought from everywhere, all over the world, Bernat. But this yarn, I just love it. It's super soft. So this is how I'm going to start working on my project. Okay, let's see how it's going to work. So what I will do is, while I'm twisting it while I work on it. So So I'm going to grab a 4mm crochet hook. Okay, this is the 4mm crochet hook. It's pretty dark today. It's gray, the weather, it's snowing like crazy outside. Okay, so I'm going to do a magic loop just to see how it looks, feels. And don't forget, while you're crocheting, don't forget the other strand. See, I think I missed something here. See, just be careful not to miss it. Just be sure to twist it like this. Chain 2. See, I'm doing something wrong here. See, here it is. It's here. Don't miss that one too. Okay. Now I am going to then you start working just like this, but be careful not to miss the strands of yarn. See? Okay, and this is how it looks like. I know it's really hard to see the black color, but I just wanted to show you you can create the yarn that you are looking for from your stash. Just go into your stash. I'm sure everyone has every color in their stash. It doesn't have to be the brands that I just showed you, but yeah, it can be the colors that you're looking for, right? And like I said, this is Bernat. This is like a, how much weight is this? This is a 5-weight bulky. See, so I had it worked with this particular yarn that I had in my stash. This is a 2-weight, so this is pretty thin compared to the bulky, so I made it work because you know, the store-boughts, when you go and buy it, if you have it in their stash, they have it available even online. This is how they work it. Yeah, so I figured out, why don't I use the yarn in my stash, and better quality, and it looks fantastic. See? So I hope you liked this short tutorial. I just wanted to share how this would work out using the yarn from your stash to create the look. So don't forget to twist it. Even if you have a spinning wheel, I'm so lazy to go on a spinning wheel. You can even twist it, do a 2-ply like this, and have it worked. And that's all I'm going to say. So enjoy. One of my tricks that I have planned to work on this order. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends. Stay home, stay safe.